मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ। एक तो थिएटर से शुरुआत की है go in front of our eyes. So all the very best and super excited. Thank you, Shani. Thank you.
Want to look first. Is there a particular look you want? That's right. Okay.
What would you like to say for Aryan?
First of all, I think it's extremely great that someone is starting off with theatre. As an actor, one must try and start off with theatre. And Othello is one of the biggest plays you can ever get. And to play a role of that, fantastic. I think it's a great challenge, and it's great that the youngsters are taking up the challenge. Yeah. And all the best to you.
Thank you
And
so
you come
much.
from a legacy.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
मुझे नहीं पता था ये प्ले से शुरू करेगा पर बहुत अच्छी बात है बिकॉज अक्सर हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि प्ले से नहीं बल्कि वेब सीरीज से डेब्यू करें या फिर उससे करें मूवी से करें या फिर शो से करें आई एम सो हैप्पी फॉर वेरी वेल यार
Thank you so much for coming. Hopefully you like it.
अरे अल्लाह जब पे इतनी मेहनत होती है ना वहाँ पे आई गेस रिजल्ट दिखता है राइट
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Very excited.
It's a grand launch for him. And debut with the play is not easy. What do you have to say?
I think the fact that he chose theatre over a film is something which is commendable because I find theatre actors, like to be the best because there are no second retakes. I mean, Manini would be better to tell she's been part of so many plays. But I think being a star kid, so to say, of such good parents, and I wish him the best, and I'm so looking forward to the play.
Absolutely. I think the real test of an artist's mettle is on the stage. And I have just debuted on stage, and I know the kind of excitement, fear, nervousness, and yet at the same time, the satisfaction that you feel is something that nothing else. So I wish him all the best.
Looking forward.
Looking forward. Thank you.
Thank
We
you.
will have to have your review after the show.
Yes, yes, sure.
So I have been waiting for this because this is Aryan's launch, and of course, like I have met him 2 years back, and he's a very different person. He's very intelligent, and I'm so excited to see him act, and that too in a play. It's a great play.
Thank you, Shishir. I've been waiting to hear your response. What would you like to say for him today?
आर्यन से ज़्यादा खुशी मुझे जय और किन्नरी के लिए हो रही है क्योंकि वो हमारे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं जीजी मामा हमने साथ में काम किया था एंड आई नो किन्नरी दे आर सो एक्साइटेड टू सी their son and it's a very unusual debut for somebody who's from a film family producers हैं और वो एक सीरियल में या OTT में या फिल्म में ये एंट्री ले सकता था लेकिन आर्यन ने बहुत टफ रास्ता चूज किया है क्योंकि यहाँ पे इमीडिएटली तालियां भी मिल सकती हैं और अगर अच्छा नहीं लगा तो इमीडिएट रिएक्शन होता है उसमें पीआर काम नहीं आता इट्स अ वेरी टफ जॉब दैट ही इज स्टार्टेड आउट ऑन एंड आई सैल्यूट हिज गट्स एंड आई विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट एंड आई एम श्योर ही विल रॉक लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू Aryan's Rugries.
the very best for his new journey in life as an actor. And Jay Kindri, all the very best to you both. Also, your son is
doing his stage debut, and that's a big thing. For an actor, it's very important to go through stage, and this is the beginning for Aryan, so all the best to him in his career. Yeah.
Left, left.